this video, you're going to see how you can make $175 a day, at least $175 a day, from the comfort of your own home. Follow this simple process and you're going to be able to start making money. I do want to get right into this, so let's not waste any time. Let's go to Clickbank. Go to Clickbank. Clickbank is free to join. And once you join, go to Marketplace and type BioFit into the search box, B-I-O-F-I-T. Type that into the search box, and you're going to see that BioFit is presently paying about $175 per sale, and actually has a recurring income that is possible, which is $42 per month per sale. BioFit is new and already has a gravity that is through the roof, and that is growing every day. These numbers are fantastic. They really are fantastic, but there are a couple of keys to your success, to my success. One of those keys is the competition, and the other is the traffic. So we're going to be covering that in just a second. In fact, I'm going to be sharing a traffic secret with you that is a way that you can use Facebook to send you tons of free quality traffic. So the first thing we want to do is to make sure that this is a niche that we can actually promote. What I mean by that is, are there a lot of people that are interested in our product? And can we find sub-niches with reasonable search or good search and less competition, hopefully low competition? So that's our next step, and there's some free tools that will do all the work for us. And before we dive further into this video, if this is your first time visiting this channel, welcome. Welcome. It's great to have you here. Thank you for visiting. Thank you for watching. I am George Pierce. I create videos about making money from home. If that's of interest to you, I urge you to subscribe and ring the bell, and that way I'll be able to notify you every time I make a new video. And if you'd like to know my #1 choice for making a full-time income from home, click the first link in the description below and I will send you the details. Back to our video. If we do a little bit of research about weight loss, according to Ubersuggest, we're definitely getting traffic, a couple of 100,000, 300,000 visits a month. That's just awesome. But the SD, which is organic search difficulty, that is showing 84%, for example, on weight loss. Well, 84% unfortunately is very, very high, and what that really means is that we've got about a 16% chance of success, and that's bad. So does that mean that we cannot take advantage of this? I believe we can make this niche work. So let's dig a little bit deeper. On my very next search, actually I got very lucky. I really did get lucky. My search was for weight loss tips. And if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see that women's weight loss tips, weight loss tips for women, and so on. Those kind of keywords or keyword variations are showing a search of $1,900 a month, and anything over $1,000 a month is usually good search. Even under $1,000 a month is worth looking at when your search difficulty is in the teens or the single numbers. At 16, our chances for success are 84%. So hooray, we're going to make some money. In addition, whenever you and I want to promote a product, one of the things that we should do, it should be standard procedure, is to use YouTube to help drive traffic. So I want to do an additional search using TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer, another free tool. And this tells us that the keywords that women's weight loss tips, those keywords, is showing very good, and a search volume on YouTube of over 30,000 a month. So this is looking better and better. So our next step is to look at BioFit itself. So let's check out the website and the affiliate center. And if you look at the website, personally, I love BioFit. I mean, stuff your face, lose weight. What an opener. This is perfect. And another thing that I noticed that I believe helps make this irresistible is that this product comes with 180-day guarantee, 180-day money-back guarantee. If they're not satisfied, they're going to get their money back. So as far as I'm concerned, this makes BioFit irresistible. So based on the information so far, based on the keyword research, based on the on Clickbank Gravity, based on the website, so far BioFit is a winner. If we look at the affiliate website, this is where BioFit is going to provide us with tools, hopefully lots of tools, good tools, that we can use in order to promote BioFit. And it is still new, so not all the tools are there yet. In the campaign info section, for example, you're going to find the demographics, you'll find the funnel map, you'll find terms and conditions, and do read the terms and conditions. Anytime you join an affiliate, read the terms and conditions. It's important. You will also find 20 excellent email swipes, and these swipes can be used, of course, for emails. They can also be used to help you with content posts and so forth. There are also some superb banners, and these are tailored for Facebook, but of course they will work on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram. You're also going to find 4 free ebooks. These are free ebooks that we can use as incentives. You'll find author picks, you'll find testimonials, product images. So I can't wait for the videos. The bottom line is lots of tools. These are great, and there's even more of them coming. The next step is to take advantage of a little secret that I'm going to share, getting free Facebook traffic. This is something I've never shown before. It's a way for us to ride on a present wave, a present trend that's happening at Facebook. So before I share that with you, before we continue, if you like this video so far, and certainly I hope you do, if you're finding value in this video, give it a big thumbs up if you would. Do that right now. Turn that like button black. Smash that like button. Thank you so much. There's a couple of things about Facebook that you need to know. First and foremost, you need to know that Facebook is not going to allow a direct link to your affiliate. So whenever you put a link on Facebook, so you don't want it to go to the affiliate, you want it to go to your web page. The advantage of that is that gives you an opportunity to capture emails, to build your list, to make even more money. And if you need a free website, you'll find my affiliate link to Systeme in the description. Systeme is a complete marketing platform, including autoresponder, website, everything you're going to need. It's free to 1,000 subscribers. If you use my affiliate link, you will also receive 3 bonus banners as well as 10 bonus videos. These are personal videos. These are some of my personal videos and banners that you're welcome to use to help you to promote Systeme. And the next thing that you need to know about Facebook is that Facebook loves groups, Facebook groups. They absolutely love Facebook groups. See, groups are based on niches. These niches range anywhere from martial arts to cooking to weight loss and so on. And what happens is, and groups simply makes it easier for Facebook to categorize or target people for advertising. Thus, Facebook is going out of its way to give groups lots of free exposure, lots of free traffic. In addition, Facebook groups, as they grow, the traffic tends to grow. And as you gather new members, these members can also add content to your site. And the more content that a site has, the more it's going to grow as well. Now, creating a Facebook group is free and super easy. Simply click on the menu button up at the top right, then click on Group, name your group, set your privacy setting, and click Create. And the next thing I would suggest that you do is click the Edit button on your banner, and you can upload an appropriate image. 2 sites that I got my image from a site called Pixabay. Another site that I love is Pexels. These are both free image sites. They have got all kinds of images, and they're all free, and there's no attribution necessary. Now, once you create your Facebook group, before you start inviting everyone to your Facebook group, before you add any links or advertising, you want to add content. You want to add content regularly. You want to add as much content as possible because, of course, the more content, the better. And I would suggest that you add content for several weeks before you start inviting other people, and maybe even several more weeks before you actually start adding links, ads, and things like this. And when it comes to adding links and ads, kind of drip feed those. Don't add a whole bunch all at once. Just add a little at a time. And the reason is that if you start adding links and advertising right away, Facebook is going to look at your group like it is like you're spamming your members, like you're spamming your visitors. And they're going to shut you down. Take your time before start adding links and advertising, and then kind of drip feed those links as you go. As far as finding content, very, very easy to find quality content. Google search is a perfect choice, and you can use what's called a content spinner, an article spinner, and what this does, it'll rewrite your article, change it up so that it's not duplicate content. What you do not want to do ever, never, ever, never, never, ever is to copy and paste an article or weight loss information. Do not copy and paste it onto your Facebook page. Facebook is going to look at that as duplicate content, and it hates duplicate content, as do all other search engines. But what that means to you and me is that it's not going to send you any traffic, because this is all duplicate content. So you want to make sure that you mix up that content. You can do that yourself, or again, you can use an article spinner, which will do it for you in a heartbeat and do a pretty darn good job. If you need an article spinner, I would suggest that you take a look at Free Rewriter, freerewriter.com. To kind of put this all in perspective, Facebook group is automatically going to kind of like get a bunch of free traffic just because it's a Facebook group and because Facebook loves it. Because you're going to be putting on quality content, it's also going to attract other search engines. And search engines kind of beget search engines. Once one search engine finds your group, others will follow. Visitors, again, can also add content. And what this means is that your site can start growing like crazy. It literally has a huge snowball effect. It has almost a viral effect. And I apologize, I don't mean to be bragging, but I've had the benefit of that snowball effect several times before. It's pretty incredible. And all it takes is doing it. So, and as you can see, Facebook groups have the potential of getting huge. If you have not given this video a thumbs up already, please do that right now. Thank you. It tells YouTube that you like this content, and therefore YouTube is more likely to push it out to more people so that more people can benefit from it. And if you like this content, consider subscribing so that I can send you an update whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. I am rooting for you. Allow me to wish you much success. I'll see you in the next video.